Firstly, in a cooker, I have taken in washed tur dal. To that, I'm adding in some water, enough to submerge the tur dal. Adding in rock salt, turmeric powder. I'm going to pressure cook this for about 5 medium whistles. Then I will turn off the flame and wait till all the pressure is gone. Now in a separate pan on low flame, I'm adding in some oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add in mustard seeds. They will start spluttering immediately. Few cumin seeds, that will also splutter. Adding in a pinch of asafoetida and SLIT green chilies, and I'm going to saute this for about a minute, and then I'm going to add in finely chopped in onions. Combine well once, and we'll saute this till onions have turned light pink. So you can see that the onions have turned light pink. So I'm just making a space in between, and I'm adding in curry leaves and saute them for a few seconds in the hot oil like this. I'm going to combine all of this well. Remember, the flame is low itself, okay? Now to this I'm adding in some sambar powder, mixing in well. If you feel it is a little bit dry, add in a bit of oil and give it a good mix, and fry this for about a minute on low flame. Then turn the flame to medium, add in finely chopped tomatoes, mix in well, and we'll go to cover this and cook on low to medium flame till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now you can see that the pressure of the cooker is also released. Now take a ladle and keep continuously mixing till the dal has, mixed in well with the water and have become mushy. Keep this aside. Now you can see that the tomatoes are also soft and mushy. Now I'm going to add in washed methi leaves. They don't combine that easily, so just add them initially and just cover this and cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the leaves would have absorbed the heat and become soft. And additionally, I had soaked in 1 lemon-sized tamarind for 20 minutes, squeezed the tamarind well, extracted the juice, filtered it, and then adding it to this. And now it will easily combine. Now combine this well. And we'll keep the flame to low and cover this and cook this for about 10 minutes. Now we'll turn off the flame. Now we'll keep in the dal and switch the flame to medium and add this into the dal mixture like this. Mix it well. Add in a bit of water, maybe half a cup, and I'm also adding in some jaggery powder. You can do a taste test here and see if salt is required. It was fine, So now we are going to cover this and boil this for about 10 minutes, stir in intervals. So you can see that it has boiled well for about 10 minutes. So this is how the consistency should look like. It's a bit flowy, but when you turn off the flame, it will become thick. So turn off the flame and it is ready to be served. It is best had with hot white rice and a spoon of ghee. So make sure to try this recipe, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye guys.